Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer Chase points to travel partner. So here's the easy workaround on how you can easily transfer your Chase points to travel partner. So the first thing to do is to make sure you log in into your Chase mobile app or go to the Chase Unlimited Reward website. Then on the step 2, you have to select the Chase card that's earned on ultimate reward point, like your Safari Preferred or Reserve or Ink. Then just make sure you select any of those Chase cards, the one that has the highest the ultimate reward point. Then on the step 3, you have to tap or check on the redeem or explore reward. Then choose the transfer to travel partner. Then on the step 5, you have to browse the list of the eligible airline and hotels partner. For example, you can use the United States or the Southwest hat, or you can also use Marriott. Then on the step 6, select your preferred partners and click transfer point. Then on the step 7, you have to enter your loyalty program account number for the airline or hotel. Then type in the numbers of points you want to transfer and must be in 1,000 points increment. Then review the details carefully and confirm the transfer. So once approved, the points will move to your travel partner's account, usually instantly, but sometimes it may take up to 48 hours, depends on the bank networks, and you can now book flight or hotel directly with the travel partner using your transferred Chase point. And that's how you can easily transfer Chase point to travel partner. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.